The second generation of Echo frames is as well crafted as one could wish for, with a durable, water-resistant, elegant, if a little vintage, and remarkably light and unobtrusive design. You may also use the Echo frames as normal for sun protection. Without further ado, let's get started. Let's unbox this smart glass and see what's in the box. Wow, look, it's an elegant pair of Echo frames with blue light filtering lenses, a carrying case, a cleaning cloth, a power adapter, and a charging cable. The frontal lenses are 6.5 inches in diameter, while the frame arms are around 5.5 inches in diameter. The frames themselves weigh just 34 g and have a very standard design. Eyewear grade TR90 is a thermoplastic polymer developed to be robust, flexible, and lightweight. It is used alongside carbon fiber and titanium. You may now get the frames in a quartz gray color with black sunglass lenses. To make room for the speakers and other electronics, the arms of the glasses are a little thicker than usual, but the area that hooks behind your ears is rather tiny, which makes it comfortable to wear. There are many more features of the Echo frames too, and we've outlined some of its highlights here. You may also check today's price and complete specifications through the link in the description. Overall, the audio from the Echo frames was mediocre. Phone calls made using the Echo frames were pretty good. The glass's battery life claim of 14 hours of juice for media playback at 80% volume is impressive. In a nutshell, considering the battery life, picture quality, value for money, and ease of use, the rating is 7.6 stars out of 10. After analyzing the user comments, we discovered that Echo Frames 2's primary selling points are stylish, light, and water-resistant, impressive battery life, and open-ear audio technology. On the other hand, the user is dissatisfied with the device's retro frame style won't be to everyone's taste. Thanks for watching. We'll be back with more shopping advice soon, so stay tuned.